check this out. You know, there's the app. You're going to need an app to download for this. And just looking over it here, there's not much on the box. Actually, let me just go ahead and unbox it here. First thing you're going to see is a little set of instructions. It looks like that's like a drill guide there. Actually, let me just lay it all out here on the table, and then we'll kind of like go over it. Okay, there it is, everybody. I got the basics of it put together here. I've already programmed it and everything. All you do is screw this thing down into there. I have the little watering thing there. This is where the feed comes out. You pull that out. To turn the camera on, you're going to pop this up. Turn the camera on. Now you can put a memory card down in there, and that's where you would charge it before you get it started. But what I didn't, it's already got a little bit of a charge on. Believe it or not, it is all on and I have it connected. Antennae into the back of here. So to put this top on, you're just gonna really line up the holes right here, just like that. And then this side, and then it just flops over. And that's it. We have a bird feeder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the brackets, take it over here where I'm going to put it. I have a pole in the front of my house. That's where I'm going to install it. This strap right here, this is a kind of a Velcro strap. I figured out what this goes to. So if you don't want to screw it in, you just want to go around a post. Let's say you have a metal pole or a tree you don't want to screw into, use that strap right there. The USB-C cable is what you would use to charge it before you do anything. And this wrench right here is what screws it into the bottom of the pole. And I think these are just extra bolts right there. I don't need those, but right now what I do need is the hardware and the birdhouse, and I've already got it set up over here. So let's get all this. Let's go over here where I'm going to set it up, and I'll show y'all installing it, and I think we're good to go. Okay, everybody, so before you do any type of install, you want to download the Vic Home app. Luckily, I already have the app. One of the reasons I got this camera is because I have a solar camera that uses that, so this will go along with my solar backyard camera. This is a bird feeder camera. You can see I'm already connected here, and I named it Smart Bird Feeder. It was very easy to set up. I'm not going to go into a lot of that. The instructions go very detailed on how to set that up and how to do it. There's several settings on this. I'm not going to go through a lot on the app. That's a lot to cover in this one video, so I'm just going to let y'all figure that out. It connected like that. Once you hook it up to your Wi-Fi, you're good to go. And you got a battery indicator there and a little solar, like you get a little Wi-Fi signal right there to let you know that you are connected. So now, once I know I'm all connected and everything, I found a spot that I'm going to mount my bracket. Inside the hardware, it looks like they give you a little thing to reset your camera. That's what you use to reset it and put them. I'm not putting a memory card in mine. And see, I can drill directly into this pole because it is wood. And then this hardware bag goes to the solar panel, and I'm going to mount the solar panel right here. Move these vines over. Because my sun comes right over there, this will give it the maximum amount of solar right here. So now to mount this, you're going to use this screw and the supplied Allen key, and it goes just like that. It has a little rubber gasket on there, so it kind of holds it in place, and you can put that on the Allen key like that, and then line this up, and I am good to go. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just got it all installed. Check out how nice that thing looks. Look at it from a distance. See me moving back. Look how it just kind of like looks like a regular birdhouse, but it actually has a camera built into it. I just pulled up the app. Check it out. You see me moving around in front of there? You can see me right there. See me wiggling my finger? This thing works extremely good. And you see in the corner here, we are live, so the camera's live. Look how I did mine. So I have this vine here, and you can see the cord is hidden behind it there. So there's the solar panel right there. Like I said, I get max sunshine. The sun comes over that house and then goes around that way. It's a very small battery, so you don't need a lot on it anyway. But once you get all this set up, this thing was super simple. It kind of looks kind of crazy at first when you first get it. It looks like it's a little tough to set up, but I had this thing up in a matter of minutes. What you want to do, you see my little antenna here? So if I want, see how I open this up? That's where the bird feed's gonna go. I have to actually go buy some bird feed because I don't have any. So yeah, we'll see how this goes over the long haul, but right now everything worked flawless, and I highly recommend this thing. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the Osoeri camera bird feeder. Check that out. See you in the next video.